Global targets for Sol I showed you before. So for me personally, everything's still relevant. I'm still waiting not waiting. I think I'm not even in the Sol. I think the Sol will hit the new all-time high. When? Have no idea, If not, of course, guys, we just work with possibilities, and maybe we all wrecked, and this cycle is over even for the altcoins. But I believe in 1, 2, and 3 rise pattern to the top. The point of control for Sol is around here, $20 by volume profile. This one. So it's kind of weird, but it's a fact. Globally, of course, it can be like I don't know what is a huge cup and handle. I don't think so. So don't try to find some patterns if there is no patterns. We get like impulse, correction. This is a sideways. So I'm waiting like impulse, sideways, impulse, but a second impulse could be smaller one. Daily time frame by volume, guys. Here, this is a point of control now. At this point, 144. So if we not break this level, we can drop easily under $100. Technically, on a daily time frame, yes, it looks like double bottom. But anyway, to talk about a break of structure, we need to break this high, 253, and this high. It's 295. So basically, new all-time high. Of course, it's possible like this is a double bottom, like 1, 2, and now we have to sweep this liquidity pool 252 and liquidate that, guys, and skyrocket to the moon to anyway not higher than $500. I don't believe and never believe it in a Sol over than 1K, at least for now. Maybe in the future everything's possible, guys. I have no idea what will be in the future. So let's focus now on only on local zones. Based on the volume, just the basic volume. So here, main sales was here in January 75 at all-time high, and even in October 10, it's kind of weird, but we not see some crazy sales on Sol. So if we compare the Sol with other tokens, even on the Binance. So here the Sol not dumping, maybe on the futures, but I don't think so. 224 to 170. So if we compare with other tokens, like it's many tokens dump it 80%, 60%. Sol dump it only 25. And it's just going by a simple structure. So 1, 2, 3. So expansion, correction. So pretty simple. Now we hold the line. Stop it here at order block and hold the line. If not, guys, if we not hold the line now, because I don't see any crazy volumes now, right? We can drop easily under $100. Under $100, it will be the panic sales under this low of April 75. So let's mark this level. It's going to be pretty horrible. There will be a lot of liquidations, right? The positive case can be only if, for example, we see one more sweep and crazy V-shaped recover move. So, but I don't see any reason why they have to dump the price so low again for what, to make everybody rich. So I don't think so. If we check the FIB, we almost touched the 23 by FIB global one. I repeat again, if we not hold this order block, $100, the next step is 0 level 75. After that, it's once again 42.25. It's a global accumulation zone again for Solana. So just in case, guys, let's double check. Let's hide this rectangle. Let's double check with indicator set. Like you can see, based on trade on, the signal to sell was here in September 14. Buyback, only the buybacks. Here was at least the signal take profit November 17, signal to buy. It's technically it's good. Weekly time frame main signal to sell was November 24. It's on 24. It's kind of weird, but yes, it was a logical time to fix the profit. That's why the whales never chase to sell at top exactly at the top. So they more than comfortable to sell before just a few. They miss some real unrealized. Maybe P&L, right, a profit, but they out in the right time, in the right moment. So this is was 252. Sell signal on a weekly. Daily time frame, I showed you 12 time frame by recommendation close position. So guys, it's so important to break at least this one break of structure. So this drop, and we need to break this liquidity pool over than 144. So it's a point of control, a break of structure. And if we want to see the upside move, we need to break this one, liquidity pool, and higher. If not, guys, the reward can be straightforward to the $100. I hope not. If we take a look at the opens, the road can be open to the test of zone 25. Maybe this year, maybe next one. It's test 189. This is it. Daily. Now we passed the weekly open, monthly open. So I repeat again, if we not hold, the reward is straightforward to under $100. That's why it's a point of decision, right? I don't see any reason to why we need to buy the SOL now, even if we got like a potential to new all-time high 558. It's only 250%, but with a high risk. It's really high risk. You know why it's a risk? Because you chase 250%, for example, and you can see the minus 50% easily, just an eye blink, 50% drop down. But 50% drop down, it means we need to recover back 100% up. So sometimes it's kind of hard. And imagine if the cycle ended in zone 24 and we go in the new bear market. Of course, based on everything what's going on now in the United States, based on seasonality, BTC dominance, ETFs, and all of this stuff, logical to see some money inflow, some liquidity inflow into alts. And that's things what happen now with the stable coins. So they printed over than 300 billion stable coins, because capitalization of stable coins is and 1-to-1 ratio. So 300 billion capitalization of the stable coins. For what? I explained it. So maybe they just gonna use the stable coins, and that's for payments. So maybe that stable coins will not inflow into alts like everybody waiting for. So technically, if it's a range, right? Yes, we can see the deviation at the bottom. I hope not, because if we will see the deviation at the bottom, only the V-shaped recover move can save us. If not, we go straight forward to under $100, even to 74, to zero level test. Technically, this is accumulation. So daily time frame, we're in accumulation. Some accumulation was here. Last time, the same accumulation was March 25 at 121. We bounced it to 252. That's why, guys, 100% profit with raw initial deposit. It's never a mistake. Weekly time frame, we are in accumulation. Not that big one, but an accumulation. Good one. No signal on direction yet on the weekly. So, of course, I'm just wish to see the market recover, but we can't build a plan based on our wishes. So I'm not touched the SOL on the spot. Time to buy the SOL was in zone 22. Now it's too expensive for me personally. Trade with the leverages, I don't see any setup now. So it's kind of risky to open trade now, because here the stop loss should be here with second leverage 24% stop loss. Not a good risk ratio. Market mood, we're in disbelief zone on the weekly. It's good. It's good because here you can check how it played out in the history. So this one, Apria, drop, capitulation, disbelief, boom, 100% profit. This is once again disbelief. The last time disbelief was also the main one in June 23. This is how the sentiment changed on the market. Daily, the same story. So it's capitulation, disbelief. But be ready, because if you're not ready to see the SOL under $100, you can lose your money, if you go all in, for example. Some money inflow was here in November 14 at 135. Maybe somebody accumulates and want to see that SOL uptrend. Good signal here. Finally, we trade at 141 and we see the money inflow. Last 2 weeks, we saw the money inflow. It's good. Last time, so money inflow, the same was in December 22. Technically, it can be the good signal. So time to sell Sol will be again at the top with the money outflow. So you can add alerts and track the money outflow. Take profit, guys. What I don't like, we didn't test the buy line on the weekly. It's 114. It's a test of the buy line. That's why it's kind of scary if we'll see one more drop. It's 114 with the weak candle. It can be a little bit under $100. This is kind of what frustrates me. Daily time frame, we hold the line at the buy line. So take profit line on the daily 248. Exit line 280. With the weak candle, we can sweep the new all-time high again. Monthly, unfortunately, there is no data. 12 time frame, buy line on 12 time frame 107. Take profit line 211 and 238. So this is it. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.